dry creek bed here. Try to make it look as natural as possible. It comes over here on the other side of the walk. This is a walkway here, the main walk up to the house. That's what we got. We got a little fall area to begin with down here. As I said, fall, I almost tripped. How ironic. Yeah, there it is. That's a little pile of cobble we have left. It's all going to be gray crushed rock around this side and that side. We might scatter these rock on the gray crush. I'm not sure yet. I'll figure it out. We'll be back. We got our crushed rock around Dry Creek bed. It's the Dry Creek bed we put in. This goes across the yard, all the way to the other end. Let's put the crushed rock around it. Kind of threw these gray and white rocks in. They had all this rock they got for free, and they just wanted to use it. Not the gray crush, we bought that. But all the river rock, all these big boulders, all this. There's still a pile over here left. That's what's left. Plus the bin right there is full of cobble, and there's rocks behind that. But anyway, there it is. Tomorrow's concrete. Here and down at the other end of the yard. Peace out and God bless.